Hello students, let us read this question. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of line joining dots with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli will have for r rows? How many dots are there if there are 8 rows and if there are 10 rows? Now in this question we have given that the Radha is drawing a dot rangoli and she has a total 9 dots in a row. So first we need to find out for r rows the total number of dots, and we have to find out total number of dots for if the number of rows becomes 8 and if the number of rows becomes 10. So let us first consider, we have given that for one row the number of dots is 9 times the number of row, which is 9, which is 1, so it will be 9 into 1, which is 9. So for two rows, if we have two rows, the number of dots that she will be required to draw are 9 into the number of rows, which is 9 into 2, so it will be 18. So we can see that if we are drawing two rows, then we will be required 18 dots. So similarly for three rows, the number of dots will be 9 into 3, which is 27. So uh we can say make a general formula for this. So number of dots, number dots will be equal to 9 times the number of rows, and since number of rows is given as r, so we can write here that therefore number of dots will be given by 9 times r. Now that we have found out the total number of dots that are present in the rangoli, now let us consider if we have 8 rows, how many dots will be there. So in this for the first case, we have given r is equals to 8. So therefore number of dots will be 9 into, in the place of r we have to replace it by 8, so it will be 9 into 8, which is 72. So therefore, for if our number of rows are 8, then the total number of dots will be 72. Similarly, if the rows are 10, so that means r is equals to 10. So therefore, the number of dots comes out to be 9 into 10, which is 90. So in this question, we have find out the general rule for number of dots, and after that we have substituted the value of r to find out the total number of dots that are present in the rangoli. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.